Morning guys, it's Thursday. I said I'd be back, didn't I? Had a fantastic night's sleep last night. Tent was really cosy. It wasn't cold, in fact it was actually quite warm in there last night. Looking at those skies you'd think it was a miserable day, but it's going to be really nice. It's warm. I don't know what the temperature is, but I'm already starting to sweat, and it's only what was it, 10 to 8 in the morning over here. So the idea is a bit of a ride around the Ardennes forest, and we're going to hit 4 countries today. It's going to come through from France, where we are now, through Belgium, Luxembourg, into Germany, and then we drop back down into France, and through a couple of the regional parks. So I'm going to get on my bike, and I'll stick the helmet cam on, film a few of the Ardennes roads, and you see how fantastic they can be. And I shall catch up with you later, guys. Have a great day. Welcome to pretty Bouillon in Belgium. This is an absolutely stunning little town. Been here before a few times on a bike trip, and it was near my route. I thought I'd pop by and reminisce about old times. If you ever fancy a trip to Belgium, I recommend coming to Bouillon. It is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I better hit the road again, guys. Take care, see you soon. Okay guys, this is Thursday. We've got a commentary now. Just come through Florenville in the Ardennes, or the Namur province I think it is. The roads here, as you see, are a bit of a mixed bag. They're absolutely stunning in many respects. Some of them are very, very smooth. Others are just, well, like this. But there you go. You have to take the rough with the smooth. Aye, sorry, I'll get my coat. Anyway, so we're heading towards Luxembourg now. We jump on the motorway. Unfortunately, a wee bit of motorway again today because it's about just breaking through Luxembourg and Germany, and then we'll drop back down into France for some scenic roads. And let's just get past this lot, nothing coming out yet. And yeah, so just enjoy these wee roads now. There's some pretty little towns that they come through. This is coming into Chigny, a village. So it's beautiful weather again, as you can see. Absolutely stunning. Warming up nicely. Yesterday was actually just a wee bit too hot, to be fair. It was 31 degrees at one point, and I was sweating. But it was lovely to ride. It was good to be back on the bike on a big tour. And so we're in Belgium currently, and we'll be sort of skirting the Belgian-French border all the way down to Luxembourg. I have to say, guys, if you're fancy doing a wee trip to Belgium, a bike trip, or even anywhere in Europe, the Ardennes region is absolutely stunning. It breaks through France and Belgium, and the roads, yeah, they're a bit of a mixed bag, but certainly worth it. You just got to be a bit careful in the wet over here because you get these ridges, as you'll have hopefully seen in one of the earlier videos this morning. And when those roads are wet, the tarmac's all shiny and it's not fun. I mean, I've got a big heavy GS and it kind of sticks to the road with the weight, but even that was picking up the ruts. But there you go. If you've got a sports bike, it might be a wee bit more challenging. I've certainly been over here in a Ducati 749 and that was interesting. But yeah, it's definitely worth it because the scenery is fantastic and it's a great place. The lady there probably waiting for the bus. So, why was there no commentary this morning on my ride, you ask? Well, one simple reason, I was stupid. I forgot to charge my helmet comms up last night. So busy uploading my videos that I forgot to charge the comms. So I put the helmet on, and it says battery is flat. Well, there you go. But I've charged it up on the go, so it's all good. Let's go and enjoy a wee bit of Belgian countryside. Enjoy. So these are fantastic roads to ride. Nice bends, nothing too sharp or tight. Lovely rolling roads. All the old bikers saying hello to each other. Standard wave. But yeah, it's lovely here, especially in the sunshine. One thing you find about France in particular, and to a slightly lesser extent Belgium, you get these big long stretches of straight roads, and clearly the Romans have been and they designed the roads straight as a die, and you see quite a lot of them, and they can get a bit boring. But fortunately, most of the Ardennes and that sort of area, you've got lots of nice bends to enjoy. So the trip for today, I think I've said, we're heading east, skirting the French-Belgian border. We're going to be into Luxembourg. It'll be motorway, just get around Luxembourg city. We drop down into Germany, past Saarbrücken, and then I cross over back into France, and we go down through a couple of the regional parks, which I will not try and pronounce because my French is pretty rubbish. And then it's just somewhere between, I think, Strasbourg, Colmar, in that region, where we'll be pitching tonight. So everything being good. Lovely little campsite last night. Got bitten by a few mozzies during the night, but they wanted to come camping as well, clearly. Well, there's not much to tell you about this. Just really enjoy the ride. So hopefully the battery in the camera will last long. I've still not got a case for the GoPro yet. I'll hopefully try and get to a shop, see if I can get a case so I can mount my GoPro again. But I'm using the little, oh, that was close. Nearly a dead flat pigeon there. Yeah, so I'm just using my little cheapest chips Chinese Amazon special camera. And to be fair, I think the footage isn't too bad. But I guess you'll be the judge. Just thanks very much everybody for your comments on the video I posted last night. It's really just a wee bit of fun. I'm just having a play. But you know, just to kind of show people where I am, what the journey's like, just so you can sort of keep up with my wee adventure. Yeah, I've had some funny comments. You know, I'm going to be the next Teapot One, and all these great tips about buying expensive cameras like an Insta360 to improve the footage for next year. All the comments taken in good faith and jest. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying it, and hopefully today's video will be just as good. I think it was 12 minutes long last night. I think my wife said she got 2 minutes in and fell asleep, so fair enough, darling. I love you too. You're not a biker, you won't understand. Right. Who's in the field? Which one's on holiday? The one with the wee calf. Sorry, that one was for my daughter Louise. She loves that joke, don't you, darling? That'll be opportunity for an overtake. Ah, there we go.